The new 400 kV substation Skanstull is part of CityLink, which is a new transmission on 400 kV through and underneath Stockholm. This is all part of the Stockholm program, where we will invest 15 billion Swedish krona into enhancing capacity, almost doubling the capacity for Stockholm, and thereby enabling growth of Stockholm in businesses, in new residential areas, and also transportation.
Now we have come very far in the project, so the transformer has newly arrived from Ludvika. They are coming by train down to Norrköping, where they are reloaded and go on water up to Stockholm area. To build such a complex project in the central part of Stockholm is requiring quite a lot from technical coordination, project management, logistics, HSE in the site. So now we're proud of having come this far in the project.
We as Hitachi Energy, we are extremely proud of being a part of this fantastic project in Skanstull. We delivered several critical components and solutions as transformers, reactors, GIS switchgear, as well as the control system.